Good morning, everyone. I'm Reggie Utan from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines, a proud member of MMM Global Philippines. Last July 26, 2015, I provided help amounting to 5,000 pesos. And last July 28, 2015, I requested assistance worth of 5,000 pesos or 5,500 pesos from my 10% Marlboro Mining bonus for a 2 days frozen. And today, July 29, 2015, I received the whole amount from Parsifal and Baga Kay Hill. To these two providers, thank you so much for providing this amount. Thank you, MM, and long live MM.